What's up everybody, Rex here. So last time I made a vote of on Discord whether people want me to play DSX or Heavy Rain. Turns out people wanted me to play DSX, but the problem is DSX refused to run on my PC. So maybe I'll play DSX later once I get a better PC, but for now we're gonna have to play Heavy Rain. Anyways, let's go. Quantum Dream, the guys who made Detroit and Dustborn. I mean, I know they're not the ones that made Dustborn. They're just the publisher, but still. They have many shots of him. Okay. It's kind of like, it plays like Detroit Become Human. I think I have a problem with like vertical synchronization. I have a huge problem with VSync, screen tearing as fuck. Okay, he doesn't want to wear his clothes. Anytime you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing and holding down. Shower. What do we, okay. Okay, where's the shower?
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Here's the shower. I'll take a shower. Whoa. Can I go outside? Okay, I guess he works as an architect. Okay, this is how. For actions requiring timing and precision, press the indicator button as soon as it appears. Where's the S? Oh shit. Oh, she's back.
So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Cool.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
I made some pretty good progress. I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the plans to the client.
Oh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Okay. Yes.
No problem. Leave it to me.
So where are the plates?
Because my dick will be swinging like a big ass baboon's BB's.
Ah, here they are. I guess this is the living room cupboard.
The door's always sticking. Give it a big tug. That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Why do I feel like he's gonna break one of them?
I don't know if I've ever told you this, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Rose.
No way. Oh shit, I had to.
Come on, go away. I've got work to do.
Shit, can't do that again? Nah. A and D.
Me first! Me first! No, me first!
Whose birthday? His birthday, alright?
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Okay. That's wholesome. I feel like the game purposely wants the story to be wholesome because you can't name a game Heavy Rain and not have a fuck ton of drama. So I guess they want to start off like wholesome just so that later they can surprise you. Ah shit. I always forget that S. Ah yeah, Sean.
The table. He should be around here somewhere.
Ah, here he is. Wait, where's the birdie?
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
No, Sean. There's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know. I know.
Let me guess, it's another character now. Probably. Ah no, it's still them.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, it won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Imagine the average gamer playing this game. He sees a wholesome family for the first time in years.
Jason, we really shouldn't let her off like that, no? An awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a pool.
Great!
That'll be $2, sir. Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Okay. My. Oh shit, he ran off, obviously, for some reason.
Impossible to try on a pair of shoes in this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back. Jason!
What? Where is he? There was a nigga with a balloon.
Shit!
Dad!
Jason! No!
She killed both of them? You can start a game with a lovely family, giving the game the tag psychological thriller, and not having something like that happen. Let me guess, gonna be the intro. Sony Computer Entertainment. I knew it. Heavy Rain. Why is he looking at me like this? Oh, okay, okay. Like they show you each and every character that you're gonna play. I like how everything is just manual. No homework. Homework. Grace. What's Grace? Ah, yes, his wife.
This weekend.
Let me guess, they're divorced. I don't think I'm gonna stop him, honestly. He wanted a snack. Look at the level of detail. Yes, they have 2 bathrooms. They have like most American houses, I guess. Not really American, even European ones. They have like 2 bathrooms. They have a guest room bathroom and this bathroom. I don't really look like I'm helping him. He just looks like he's like staring. Just making sure he's doing his homework.
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
I don't think putting it in the microwave is a good idea. Personally, I like putting pizza in, like, how do you call it? In the furnace. Why the fuck do you eat pizza with a fork?
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad!
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
I know where it is.
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, Sean.
Right. Dad?
Yeah?
Why do you look so sad?
I think I just need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
Wow. Let me guess, he's gonna get killed. Oh, he's a victim. That makes a lot of sense. Carnaby Corner North. Thank you for supporting interactive drama. There's an achievement called interactive drama. What the fuck? Oh, is he like a new character I'm playing? Who am I playing as now? Detective? Lauren Winter.
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells? No, can't say it does. Oh, that Lauren Winter. 3rd floor, last door on the left, at the end of the corridor.
Where is what's the left? What's the right? Is this the left?
Lauren Winter.
Sorry, I misplanned my appointment.
Wait.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Why does she sound French?
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, the car. I should know who you are. Freely? Is that it?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the origami killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Convince.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
To be compassionate.
Tell the other
Ah, no,
victims
persist.
that we don't stop the killer. You have got to help me, Lauren. You may know something that can aid the investigation.
Help you? There's nothing you can do. My son's dead. Do you hear me? He's dead.
Trick. Trick.
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
Ah, so basically, I tricked her into feeling guilty.
What do you want to know?
Johnny, disappearance suspect. Disappearance.
Son disappeared.
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it. All his friends came home around 5. All except him.
Please, Johnny's home. Johnny himself.
Tell me about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me a kid. In his own way, I think he understood what was going on. Want one?
No thanks, I quit.
That's brave.
His father.
About Johnny's father.
A loser without a job who liked to beat me after a few drinks. He left the day Johnny disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward. Good thing he left.
Please, Johnny's home. Ah, no. Shit.
When did you sound the alarm?
About 8 o'clock. I began to get worried. I went all around the neighborhood. I went to the wasteland where they like to play. I went to see his friends. I called the cops about 10 o'clock.
It's midnight.
Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
Was he having a stroke in the middle of nowhere? E. Who's that? Who's that guy?
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me. Sorry, Del. But I really want
Oh, rape tentative. Stop that nigga. Dude, you know she's getting assaulted.
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser. You again? You're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
Shit. Oh shit. Okay. Ah shit. S. Up. S. Shit. S. Up. Up. That's fucking intense, dude. Yes.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Are you alright?
Better than him, I guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent, and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
We should be careful. They'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
Okay, so he's a cool character.